Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Thursday, September 19th, 2024. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to start with this image here just to remind you that despite the fact we've been trading south since we posted that buy signal over a week ago, that this still remains an area to buy into at 109.76, able to contain selling on a weekly basis, and yes, above which, or once tested, we can round up to 139.81 over the following 3 to 5 weeks. This still remains a longer-term objective. I know it's been frustrating for people who may have gotten long over the last week, but it is still the technical outlook that you can buy that level 109.76. Now, whether we test it or not, I think has a lot to do with whether or not we break or open below perhaps 112.37. So that is a soft intraday pivot point. As you can see, certainly a bottom picking level for day traders. From there, we could round back up to 117.94. 117.94 is the sister formation to 112.37. 117.94 able to contain daily highs. And if we close today above 117.94, given our already bullish outlook as we move into October above 109.76, this should pivot the market north into next week. So closing above 117.94, which would also, by the way, be above Wednesday's 117.70 high, that in itself would be a sign of strength. Closing above 117.94, 3 to 5 day rally to 127.89, where we can top out on a daily basis, possibly a little longer than that. It would be a settlement above that 127.89 that would then likely yield 139.81 within another 3 to 5 days or so, where we could top out well into, if not through, October trade. And if settled above, significant buy signal through the rest of the year, but we're a long way from that right now. Let's get back to this chart. Breaking or opening below 112.37 does indicate 109.76, where we can place a good low for the week, possibly well into October trade, and from here round back up to, where is that channel top again? 117.94. Some variation of this structure within several days. 127.89 within a couple of weeks. And as I say, holding above 109.76, 139.81 remains a 3 to 5 week objective. Now, if we do close today below 109.76, I do see the upper 90s in reach, likely to be tested by the end of next week. 109.76, if settled below, we should fall into this 97.30 to 98.91 region within a matter of a full week of trade. By the end of next week, we can bottom out here on a weekly basis as well. So the way I would structure this is holding above 109.76, still anticipating the upper 130s over the next 3 to 5 weeks, and only if we close below 97.30 would I then expect 84.08 within a week or two. I don't anticipate seeing 84.08 unless we close below the upper 90s, 97.30 to 98.91, and if tested over the next week or two, 84.08 could, not over the next week or two, over the next month or so, could contain selling on a monthly basis, possibly through the rest of the year. But once again, just to clarify, 109.76 is meaningful support for not only the day, but through next week. It's expected today with a break or open below 112.37. Until then, holding above 112.37, you should allow 117.94. So, you can buy 112.37 day traders and hold out for 117.94 where profits can be taken. And inversely, day traders, if we break 112.37, you can play the short side. We should then see 109.76 lickety split, I would think could be within a matter of 10 minutes. But in any event, holding above 112.37, 117.94 in reach, where we could place a daily high. And if we close today above 117.94, by the end of next week or sooner, 127.89 is likely. This would be consistent with the fact that we are expecting over the next 3 to 5 weeks weeks, 139.81 anyway, holding above 109.76. I don't know if there's anything else to say. I think I have said it all. I'm going to leave it at that. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 5-day free trial. Also go to wickedstocks.com. Halfway down that home page, you've got the insider. Give us your email address, and we'll send you some good information. Earlier this week in the TLT, which is very timely with the Fed reducing rates by a half a point, that is very consistent with the buy signal that we had in the TLT in July. We are now fast approaching our long-term objective in the 104 handle. You can see the exact number, 4-year channel top. That'll be a big deal once tested or if settled above. I'll let you be the judge. You get to see that for free by signing up for the Wicked Stocks Insider. I'm going to leave it at that for Thursday's NVIDIA report. I'll be back tomorrow with Fridays, and you have a great evening.